up, gorgeous people? This is Am Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have 2 more mystery bags from the Diva Bag by Sonya website. So I'm going to do the same thing I did in the other 2 videos. I'm going to unbag both of the bags, show you guys everything that I got, and I'm going to decide what I want to keep and what I'm going to put in the giveaway. So without further ado, these are some pretty meaty bags this time. Let's see what Sonya put in these last 2 mystery bags. Okay guys, so I saved these 2 for last because they are so big, they are so jam-packed, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the first one. How cute is the bag? I mean, I am just loving the bag itself. It is so super cute. I don't know, am I going to keep the bag or am I going to give it to you guys? I don't know, we'll have to see how that goes. Let's go ahead and open it up and see all these awesome goodies that she jam-packed into here. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so first thing I have on top here, I'm going to set this aside. That's the other bag, and it's jam-packed too. It's going to be a longer video. All right, guys, the first thing that I see here is this Creme Petal Perfect Cosmetic Sponges. I do not use these, so this is going to go in the giveaway. I am sure that somebody else will get some use out of these. So that's going in the giveaway. Ooh, I have this one already. So fun, though. So then we have this Maybelline New York Soda Pop palette. This is a fun palette, you guys. I like it a lot. I don't use it super often, but I really do like it. So this is going to go in the giveaway because I already have it. All right, what else do we have? So we have the Shadow Light Brow Contour Mousse. I put this in the other 2 giveaways, and guess what? It's going in this one too. This is just not something that I will use, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the giveaway. More for you guys than for me this time. Cream Eye Color by Mary Kay. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what that means. Here's the packaging of the box though, so I'm going to have to pop this bad boy open because I really don't know what that means. So, Sonya's got her sticker on the bottom here. I can't see what it says, but let's just open it up really quick because I don't want to waste too much time. Will this show up on my eyes? I don't know, and it's cream. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway because I do not believe I will use this. I did not touch it, guys. I just opened it up so that we could see what it was, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway, and it's got Sonya's information. If you guys like Mary Kay, you can order Mary Kay, whoever wins this giveaway. All right, so put that right there. Then I have this, oh, I love this stuff, this Pacifica Coconut Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic. I love this stuff. I'm actually almost out. I'm keeping it. Sorry, this is 100% for me. I love this stuff. I'm so glad she put that in there because that is definitely going to be something I'm going to keep. Okay, what do we have here? Chai latte. I'm not really sure what it is though. Oh, it's a lip lacquer. Okay, so it's Mary Kay, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's a lip lacquer. I don't see myself using this, so this again will be something that I'm going to put in the giveaway. I didn't touch it. I just unscrewed it so you guys can see the color. That's going in the giveaway. All right, what do we have here? This is liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is for me. Ooh, can you guys see it? That looks so super fun. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I'll keep that one. Okay, so then we have this awesome She makeup. Isn't that, oh my gosh, Shein's brand of makeup? I'm not really sure. I think it is. Oh, it's super fun though. It's a blue, look at that, blue, you know, mascara scruncher thingamabobber for your eyelashes. Eyelash curler. That's what it's called. Okay, guys. So this is going to go ahead and go in the giveaway because I do have one of these in purple already, so somebody else can have this one. Oh, you guys are making out this time. Let me tell you. Ooh, what is this? A powder blush. Now, this I'm going to keep. It's by NYX, and I'm digging the color. Look at that, guys. That looks super pretty. I think I'm going to like that color a lot, and it's not that one that I have that much of, or do I have it at all? I don't know. Nonetheless, I'm keeping that. All right. I'm not making much sense, am I? Intuitive Lip Balm by Mary Kay. Okay, I might keep this for myself. I'm going to go ahead and pop it open, see what's going on here, because, you know, I don't really know. Ooh. Yeah, this is for me. Look at that. Nice purpley color. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping that for myself. So there you go. That looks super good. I'm excited about that. Ooh, we have a Tarte setting spray and it's full size. Double duty beauty. This is for me. You guys know I love my setting sprays. I love trying new brands of setting sprays. Look at that. That's a big guy. Oh my gosh, I'm super stoked. She so hooked me up. I'm really excited about that. Oh my gosh. So then we have this creamy coconut with virgin coconut oil. It's a beauty bar. I'm also going to put this in the giveaway because I already have this and I don't need any more. So that's going in the giveaway as well. Okay, so that's bag number 1. I'm unsure. Look how cute this bag is though with all this print on it and stuff. So cute. I'm unsure if I'm going to give you guys that bag or this bag. I really don't know. Here's this bag. Again, jam-packed. Oh my goodness. Let's open her up and see what we have inside. This is going to be a much longer video than I would like for it to be. Ooh, this kind of popped open, but this is going to go in the giveaway because I can tell you right now, I don't use beauty blenders, so I'll go ahead and put this in the giveaway because beauty blenders just are my thing. All right, so that's going in the giveaway. What else do we have here? Ooh, bra strap like cinchers, so if you have like a T-strap top on or something like that. I think I'll go ahead and keep these because I do use these in my crafting and stuff like that. I actually don't use them for what they're supposed to be used for, but that shouldn't matter. Ooh, baby! Glow Glam Baked Illuminating Highlighter. I think I'm keeping it. Look at that color. Wowzers! That looks so pretty, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to keep it. That's for me. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, Mary Kay Into the Garden Color Compact. All right, well, I don't know what it looks like. I'm going to open it up and we're going to have a look at it. I can tell you right now I will most likely keep it though because I haven't tried Mary Kay stuff, so this is my way to try it and find out if I like it. Ooh, that's pretty. This is going to fall out on me though. So I'm going to put that right there. Yeah, it's definitely pretty. Look at those colors, you guys. That is super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and keep this for myself. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Why not? I've not tried Mary Kay stuff, so here's my chance. Okay, what else do we have here? Ooh, I love the clean color packaging. This is another eyeshadow palette. I don't know if I have this one or not. I might. I don't know. We got to open it up, you guys. Yeah, I don't have a... I mean, I do, but it's kind of buried underneath some stuff here. Here, I got it. Boop. So let's go ahead and open this up here and see what the actual palette looks like. Oh, that is so pretty though. How fun is their packaging? Okay, let's open up the beat. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, no, I don't have this one and I'm going to keep it. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. I am super excited. So yeah, I'm going to keep this one, guys. Sorry, that's going to be for me. All right, what else do we have in here? We have... Library of Flowers Forget-Me-Not. Oh, it's a hand cream. Okay, I always need hand cream, so I am going to go ahead and keep this for myself as well because I'm always looking for hand creams and, ooh, that smells good. And needing hand creams, so yeah, that's going to be for myself. What is this? A bubble bar. What's a bubble bar? Does this bubble up in the water? I'm going to keep this for my son because it sounds like something that he would like very much. So yeah, we'll keep that for him. Awesome. Well, this bag's more for me, huh? Ooh, another setting spray. Guys, I know I got a ton of them, but honestly, I use them so, like, all the time, and I feel like I go through them so fast. So I'm going to keep this one for myself, too. Sorry, but you guys can't have this one either. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, my goodness, you guys. She packed this stuff. Ooh, purple lipstick. Oh, this is mine, and it's got a flower on it. Oh, my gosh. This is an aloe stick. Look at that. That is so pretty and fun. All right, that's for me. Awesome. I will enjoy that. Oh, we get another brush. So we have a, I don't know what this brush is used for. Doesn't matter. It's going in the giveaway. I don't use brushes that often. I mean, I use them to put like on my foundation and blush and stuff, but yeah, I don't use them on my eyes. What is this? Oh, they're nail polish strips by Sally Hansen. I think I'm going to keep them. I'm going to go ahead and keep these. I haven't tried this brand. It's like a giraffe print. Yeah, I'm super curious about it. I'm going to keep these for myself. All right, what is this? Milani. Is this eyeshadow? Yeah, it is eyeshadow. And it's like a light pink color. So I'm not going to put this in the giveaway. I'm not going to keep it for myself. I'm going to give it to my girl, Lois. So that is where that one's going to go. So sorry, guys. Lois gets to have that one. She's getting another one, too, that had pinks in it. I know she doesn't need any more makeup, but when I see pink, it makes me think of her. So I'm going to give that to her. So this glitter eyeliner, I'm also going to keep this one for myself because I think that I'll very much like that. Oh, wait. Wait, I think these might be the colors I already got. Oh, they are. Okay, I already got these colors. She put these exact 2 colors in one of my other bags. So I will give this to whoever wins. This is actually going to go in the giveaway. Change of plans, guys. But I am going to go ahead and keep this purple fairy. I do have one already, but I'm still going to keep this one as well because I just think that I will use this a lot and I'll probably go through it pretty fast. What is this? An eyeliner crayon by Mary Kay. Ooh, it's like gray. Hold on. Look at it. It's like gray. Okay, I'm down for some gray eyeliner by Mary Kay. Let's go ahead and give that a try. All right, what do we have here? Oh, I don't have this color. It's along the lines eyeliner. I don't think that I got this blue one. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I will double check and see if I already have this color blue. If I do, I'll put it in the giveaway. If I don't, then, you know, obviously I won't. Ooh, what is this, a lip liner? No, it's eyeliner. Red eyeliner. I don't have any red eyeliner. Ooh, it doesn't even look red. Look at that. That does not look red to me at all. Whoa! Does it go on red, though? Bam! Look at that. Boom! Yeah, that's for me. Obviously, I just used it. Okay, we're getting to the end here, guys. I promise. What is this? Sex? Litter? Bitter? But what is it? Oh. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Okay. I will keep this one as well. I'm not familiar with this brand or anything, so we'll keep that. What? Ooh! We got another one of those super fun ones in blue. Let's go ahead. Oh, yes. Please. Look at that. That goes on so great. That's fabulous. Okay, so what is this one? Ooh, purple. Do I have purple? I think I might have the purple in this shadow stick. So I'm not, or these winged eyeliner thing. So let me go ahead and double check that as well. If I have it, then I will put it in the giveaway. If I don't, then obviously I won't. So let me go ahead and check that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, before I go over the additional items I'm going to add to this giveaway, I want to go over a few of the rules. First and foremost, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. Second, you must be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then you will not be able to win. And third, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. So I have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check those out prior to entering the giveaway. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a few more things in here. I have these Tinkle eyebrow razors. Yeah, this is definitely something I would never go near my eyebrows with. I'd be afraid I'd just shave them completely off. So somebody that's better with these razors can hopefully use those. And then I'm also going to throw in this Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner. So I don't use this kind of stuff, so hopefully somebody else will be able to get some use out of this. And the last thing I'm going to add is the Sponge Gel Autumn Bloom. I know it's not autumn, but it's a lovely scent, so hopefully somebody will like to have that as well. And I'm also going to throw in this bag, you guys, the bag that I showed you first. I'm going to keep the other one, and I'm going to throw this bag in the giveaway as well. Okay, guys, so I have to jump in here because I messed up the dates for this giveaway as well. At least I stayed consistent throughout this series and messed up the dates on every single one. But nonetheless, this giveaway is going to run from today, May 7th, all the way through May 14th, and the winner will be announced on May 15th. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into whatever I was talking about in the video. So the key word that you need to put in the comments below, in a sentence, creatively, all of that fun stuff, is the word Sonya, S-O-N-Y-A, because Sonya is the one that put all of these awesome bags together, and I just want to, you know, use her name as a thank you for doing such an awesome job. So the keyword is Sonya, S-O-N-Y-A. Make sure that you use that in your comment creatively below so that I know you want to be entered in for this giveaway. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So, what am I going to have you put in the comments? That's interesting. I didn't think that through all the way. I might have to do this again because I can't think it through. I don't know what I want you guys to do. Yeah, let's try it again. Okay, guys, so before I show you the few things that I'm going to add, first and foremost, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I am I'm purchasing. I already purchased them. Try it again. Okay, guys. Drew a blank. Try again. Okay guys, before I go over the additional items I'm going to be adding to this giveaway, I want to go over a few of the rules. First and foremost, yeah. Boom. Getting tired guys, try it again.